don't even know where she is. She must have never stopped. Whoa, this bad boy's fast. I have no clue where she is. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Woo! Man, that was fast.
Fell off. It almost fell off, and I grabbed it right at the beginning when we were going up the hill, and then it was going down, but I couldn't stop because as soon as you got off, it like jerks because it's breaking. And then I saw a skunk. Did you not smell it?
No.
I saw it. And
you saw a skunk?
Out. Yes, I saw it. It was black and white, and I was like so scared.
Oh,
and then
no
I
way.
thought a snake was gonna like jump at me because we were like this close.
Did you ever break that whole trip?
No.
Jeez, I did. I was too afraid.
But that little loopy loop, I thought I was gonna fly off because it was like bumping the whole time.
I gotta say, that was pretty fun. This Mini Cooper has over 1 million Swarovski lead crystals. There's Mount Rushmore, U.S. Capitol, Washington Monument, Space Shuttle, the Hollywood sign. Maddie doesn't want to get in the video because she's embarrassed. We're gonna do the Haunted Mansion here, Ripley's. Let's see how that goes. She's getting a little nervous. How was the haunted house, Maddie?
Scary.
It's pretty cool. Hey, all. Well, it's the next day. It's a long day there at downtown Gatlinburg. We're just gonna hang out the camper today. Right now, we're just gonna have a little snack before lunch. It's a beautiful day. I'll show you some pictures here of the sunrise this morning. Now's a good time as any to ask you guys to subscribe to our new channel. You may know I do furniture restoration, and we've decided to go ahead and start a channel about furniture restoration. So we'll put a link below for that. So here's our appetizer. We got some fresh mozzarella and tomatoes, some chips with, where we get this apple salsa from the Apple Barn in Seaverville.
Peach salsa.
Oh, it's peach salsa.
Peach habanero.
Peach habanero salsa. And then some, what kind of olives? Calamari olives. So we decided to come to the pool. I mean, the days are beautiful, but the evenings are cool. And I stuck my feet in. It is freezing. Here's Dawn. She's got her feet in. But of course, Maddie's in there. Let's take a look. Here she goes, down the daggone slide. No way, it is freezing. Can you believe it's October 10th? Tennessee. Madison's still in the pool. It's because it's beautiful out. People still out on their boats. Beautiful mountains in the background. Well, one of our last evenings is coming to an end. We're down here by the water. The sun's heading down behind me there. It's nice and peaceful and quiet. Until you walk over here. And these two are playing tetherball again. I guess I'll join them. Since it's evening now, we're taking a little spin around and show you some of the campsites that are made up for Halloween. It's one of the camp hosts. See his little skeleton inside the Can-Am there. Really nice with all the flowers. I mean, look at the beauty of those flowers.
Look at those ones.
Good morning, everyone. It's our last day at Anchor Down. We're heading out first thing tomorrow morning. So we came out to enjoy one last sunset It's not too good now. It's gotten a little cloudy, but I'll put a picture here, right here, to show you what it looked like. There are the mountains. Man, what a beautiful sight. God, it's so gorgeous here. So you can probably see the water line right here. They drain the dam every winter, so the water goes down drastically. I mean, people are still out on jet skis and boats and all, but usually the water would come up right to here and around. So the water would be up against that wall there, and you have your slide that comes right down here to go right into the water. And they have those blow up things out in the water during the summer where you can, like Willow Tree, slides and bouncy things that you can get on and be in the water. So this would all be water in the summertime. They also got boat rentals there. Got a nice other little fishing dock over there. So since it's our last day here, we decided we'll do a little sightseeing around the small town here of Dandridge. It's a Revolutionary War cemetery there we're going to go look at. But look at this building here. Guy told me it's a Kentucky style log cabin because it's got the corners of it built up with stone. But someone lives in there. It's a beautiful looking old building. Look at this old grinding wheel. And here is the Shepherd Inn from 1820. That's still a functioning inn. Dandridge Revolutionary War Graveyard.
Metal, huh?
As you walk into the Revolutionary War Graveyard, you will be entering the birthplace of Dandridge in Jefferson County. For it is here that the first commissioners of the newly formed county of Jefferson met and chose this spot for the county seat in 1793. 1930, erected by Martha Dandridge Garden Club in memory of the Revolutionary soldiers buried here. They said this path here led to which was the first church from 1785. It's no longer here, but look at that cool bench made out of, look like river rock and concrete. The guy we were talking to said these are actually edible, but they don't taste real good. To me, they smelled like,
really good, like
pumpkin to me,
yeah.
but. So Dandridge here was in what was called the state of Franklin at the time. North Carolina ran it, and at one point it almost became the 14th state. So we could easily had a state called Franklin rather than Tennessee. But of course we know that we're now in the state of Tennessee. You ever see a stop sign that has a solar panel on it? It must light up at night. Look at that. This corner building here looks like a 2 or 3 story building. Look at this door. You only got about a third of it showing. The rest of it's underground now. Kind of odd. Alright, well, we're back from our little sightseeing tour. Dawn's back there cooking one of the HelloFresh meals for lunch. We're going to have one of those for dinner also. Mostly to get rid of them because we ordered them, not thinking we'd be away. They showed up, and we didn't want them to go to waste, so that's what we're doing. Got some unfiltered apple cider from the Apple Barn in Sevierville. Maddie's enjoying herself a cup. Alright, well, we got our meal ready. Perfect meal for a nice cool afternoon. Some stuffed peppers. Here's the stuffed peppers. Stuffed with a beef mixture and couscous. That's a first for me. It's good though. Look at that little setup there, huh? Isn't that nice? Bet he can pull that thing wherever the heck he wants to. It's our last evening. We're heading home first thing in the morning. Kids are finished trick-or-treating. Sun's going down behind me. You saw the pictures of all the sites all done up for Halloween. We entered the contest, but we realized quickly we fell well shy. Here's one last view. We won't be back here for almost 2 years. This place fills up so quickly. We were able to get August of 2021. So that'll probably be the next time we're back. I think they won. They won the last 3 years, she said. I mean, they got a pirate ship and everything else there. It's pretty cool, though. It's a nice old Prevost Class A bus back there. I mean, it's beautiful. I'd say it's probably 20 years old, but it's in great shape. I'd be surprised if that thing had 20,000 miles on it. It looks so good. All right, well, it's Sunday morning. We are heading home. We are somewhere between the Great Smoky Mountains and the Blue Ridge Mountains on Route 40. As always, if you like what you saw, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, comment, share with your friends, hit that notification bell, and head on over to our new channel. The link's going to be below there, so if you like woodworking or furniture restoration, head over there and watch some of those videos. We will see you pretty soon. Bye-bye.